Hello, good day everyone. I hope you're doing well. So this day I have a community question. So in this question, you want to ask about how to flatten or unfold a rolled angel iron. And so let's try it. But this question I have to sample to try. First, I using the best idea. When it is, you need to adding sheet metal features in your works. Second and last, I try using flex command, which you don't need sheet metal features in your works, but it is outsmart idea. So I will show you. Okay, first maybe I need to create a design like a question. So first we using sheet metal features. So I design with top line like this. Okay, random dimension. And don't forget to create a split in this area. So like this. Next, you can select sheet metal and select baseline on this. Maybe for thickness as a random value. So like this. And sorry, for thickness is 2 millimeter, I think. Okay. And maybe for sorry, maybe 5 millimeter. Okay, validate. And next, select add flange in this edge. Okay, go to this direction and maybe 5 millimeter. Okay, like this. Okay, maybe the design like that. So next, we go to unfold the design or the part. First, you select the unfold, and for the fixed face dialog box, and maybe for the fixed place is this edge and select collect all band like this and validate. Oops. Okay, so like this. Okay, and we can check the dimension. So the normal distance is this value. And next, maybe we can try outsmart idea and part. Modeling like this. Okay, don't forget to add dimension, maybe like this. Okay, and with outsmart idea, Sorry. So we go the outsmart idea. First, you must thinking design with strike condition like this. Okay, maybe I choose random dimension. Okay, so like this. Then go to flex command in insert menu in this and go to flex. And for the dialog inbox flex input, you select your part modeling, and for the trim plan, maybe this for default option and this. And don't forget to split line in this middle part of the part. So we go to bend like this, maybe. But I wanna choose direction. Maybe we can add coordinate system in this and go to flex command again. Sorry, like this. Okay, maybe we can go to split in this like this. So rename default and fault condition. So you play with rollback like this. Okay, I hope this video can help you. See you next time.